So hi, today we're going to learn about string mutations. String mutation is very easy to understand and very simple. So we can't replace a character using this, right? Because it's constant string and we can just replace it like this. So instead we can do something like this one right here. Convert string into a list and then rejoin it with this dot join functions and turn them into a string, right? So we can, after converting to a list, we can replace it and then join. Or we can use a slicing technique. So we can just add it with a slice of strings, and then we can just produce a new string, and that will be our answer, right? So let's just go and jump into this technique because it looks a lot easier and then also less time consuming. In this case, we have to call less, we have to call join, so it's going to take a lot of time, and there's a lot of, a little bit more complicated than this one right here. So let's just use this solutions. All right, so right here we will just return a new string. So we're going to call string, and then we will have colon. It will start from 0 until position. Let's excluded position. So it will excluded position. That means when you exclude it, we will ignore. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be A, the middle right here, right? So it will just ignore the fifth one. In this case 6, 5 is 6 because it started from 0, 0 position. So we will just ignore A, character A, right in the middle. And after that, we will just add the characters that we just passed right here, and we will add a new string, the end of the string. So it will start from 6 index, and it will go all the way. So the 6 positions is basically we want to be flexible. So instead of saying like hard code positions, we can just do a variable plus 1 position plus 1 and then go all the way, right? So that way it's just more flexible and dynamic. Okay, let's try this out. So it worked, and then also let's try this out, and it worked. So that's it for our string mutations.